Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Instagram. So in order to do this, it's quite easy. All you need to do is open Instagram like this, and basically once you've done that, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at your profile picture. Once you've done that, click on Edit Profile, and then click on Edit Picture or Avatar. Then you need to make sure that your profile picture has been selected, and what you can then do is either take a new photo, you can import one from Facebook, you can just completely remove the current one you have, or you can choose a new one from your library, which is the most chosen option, so I want to click on that. And now let's say that I want to set this Skype logo as my Instagram profile picture. All I do is basically click on that Skype logo like this. I then zoom a bit in, just like this, so it basically fits nicely and well, and then I click on done. And basically once I've done that, I should be good to go, and then I can just basically have automatically this set as my profile picture. And we can right now see that this has now been set as my profile picture. When I now refresh, you will notice this is now my new profile picture. And yeah, that's all we need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.